rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, brother?
What we doing?
Man, what you got running in here?
I got two Sundown ZV615s on a Ruthless 8500 at half ohm. 320 amp volt, excess power, X Max 90 for misuse.
You got plenty of them in here.
This is DJ Smoking Lows. Cost a couple of G's.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem,
this
thanks.
This thing is clean in here, man.
Appreciate it.
And you still kept it clean on the outside.
Appreciate it, man.
You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
I'm on TikTok, Big Logs Malibu, Logan Johnson on Facebook. I don't have a YouTube right now, but
okay,
pretty much just those two right now.
Okay, y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. I'll see you back on the next one, bro. What's the next show you going to?
Probably just local ones for now.
I'm gonna try to get back.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.